Alrighty, so the first thing we're going to need to do is actually go through and install this free theme that we're going to be using as a base for building our website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to here and we're going to go to Dashboard. And then we're going to go to a section called Appearance Themes. Now, this is where we go through to install themes for WordPress. Now, there's literally thousands of themes available out there, and yeah, you can do so. If you know what you're doing, you can do a lot with a free theme, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So, what we want to do is we're going to simply hit Add New, and you'll be brought to a section here, which is almost like the marketplace for free themes. But there's even more available simply on Google. They're not all on here on the WordPress marketplace, theme marketplace. So what I want you guys to do for me is we're going to simply just go to Google, and we're going to type in West theme. Okay, because this is a theme that we're going to be installing. So first one at the top here, West by A Themes, and so there's the theme there, and we're just going to hit download. Now you'll be prompted with a little thing here. Just simply say no thanks, I just want to download this file. So unless you want to start receiving emails from these people, most likely you don't. Okay, so now going back to our Add Themes section, we're going to hit this button up here called Upload Themes. So we simply just hit Upload Theme, and you grab this wherever your download has gone to, and it's going to be a zip file. You grab it, and again what we do is we drag it onto here and hit Choose File. Now we simply just hit Install, and it'll start installing onto our website. And then what you want to do is hit the button Activate. Okay, so now look, it brings us back to this area here, and as you can see, now it's showing that West is actually active and installed. Now, very important point, you'll see here that it says update to the newest version, update now. Please do not update now, don't worry about needing to do that. A lot of the time, sometimes when these updates to themes come out, they can end up stuffing things up, and to be honest, yeah, I tried updating it originally, and yeah, it ended up making a few things not work correctly. So you're best off, don't worry about updating it. The one that you've downloaded is the best one and the one for building this theme. So just leave that. You don't need, just remember, you don't need to update it, and it won't automatically do it, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so let's just have a look at this new theme that we've installed. So if we go to here and visit site. Okay, awesome. So we come here, and as you can see, it already looks a little bit better than that free theme that came from WordPress. But if we scroll down, you see it doesn't really look anything like the website that I've shown you guys we're going to be creating. Where's all those incredible, nice looking sections? And there's just so much missing. Well, I'm going to show you guys how we fix that by going through and installing the demo content for this theme. So what we want to do is we're going to go back to our dashboard here, and the first thing I want us to do is you're going to see here that it says this theme recommends the following plugin. So the Live Composer Page Builder. Like I said, that's what we're going to be using to this drag and drop feature that's going to allow us to just easily go through and completely customize this theme into how we want it. So you're going to definitely want that. So the first thing you want to do is click that, and we just simply hit install now. Okay, so now we go to our plugins section, installed plugins. And if we scroll down, you'll see Page Builder, Live Composer, and what we want to do is hit activate. Okay, so that's our Page Builder, Live Composer now all installed, and you'll see it's given us all these different options here. Don't worry about them for now, I will be going into those, but yeah, so that's our Live Composer installed. So the next thing that I want you guys to do is we're actually going to install this this demo content. So what I want you to do is you're going to go to Tools, and you're going to hit for me Import. Now you want to go down to this area here called WordPress and hit Install Now. Okay, so this is going to allow us to run a special importer program that will allow us to import the demo content for the site. So if we hit Run Importer, so what we want to do to get our demo content file, we're going to go back to our area here of our theme, and we're going to hit Documentation, and we're going to hit Quick Start Guide, and you'll see here it's got to download the demo content from here. So if we just click that, what it's going to do is now give us the demo content file. So we go back to our importer here and simply drag it and place it there. Okay, and then we just click Upload File and Import. And we're brought to this section here. So what you want to do is make sure that you select your username here, because that's where it's going to install these here. Otherwise, you'd be stuck with saying that that was the author, this VLAD, which is creator of this theme. And then you want to just make sure that you tick Download and Import File Attachments, and then simply just hit Submit. And then we're just gonna wait a little while, because yes, it has to download, because it does actually have to download all of the actual the files and pictures and everything from the database. So depending on your internet speed will be how long this part here will take. Okay, and once that's done, you're going to be brought back to here, and don't worry, it will say failed to import these ones here. Don't worry about those. Everything else will have now been installed. So we're just going to hit this have fun, and we go back. That's going to help. Okay, so now we've just got one last little thing that we need to do to get this this site ready to start building and putting together. And I promise that this part that we're doing right now is probably it's the hardest part of all. And then when we actually get onto building our website, you'll see just how easy it is. So what we want to do is go to Pages, All Pages. Now, what you want to do is, we don't need all these bloody pages, all these homes. I don't think we need 7 homes. So you're just going to tick all those for me, and you're going to hit Move to Trash, Apply. Okay. And these two, don't worry about those. Just get rid of those as well. And we're going to hit Move to Trash, Apply. Okay. Following along, good. Now, we've got this one here called My Front Page. What I want you to do is we're going to hit Edit. and we're going to change this to home. Okay, change that to home, and we're just going to simply make sure that this here is selected to be composer, and we're going to hit update. Alrighty, so the last little thing, and then we're going to get on to the exciting part, which is actually building our website. So now, if we go down to settings, we go to an area called reading. We click that, and what we want to do is we're going to change this area here and change it to a static page, and you want to change it to home, that one we just created before. And I want you to just hit save changes. Okay, so well done guys. Pat yourself on the back, because we've just done probably the hardest part of getting this website together. Now we're going to be moving on to the actual good part of putting our website together. So now let's go back to our site and see what's now been done. So if we go back to our site, we hit visit site, have a look here, and if we scroll down now, there we go. It's starting to look like a much better website. We've got this big nice section up here, which we're going to go through and edit. We've got our small about section that I'm going to show you guys how to, we're going to go through and totally edit out. We've got the portfolio section now, we've got the team, we've got this area which was the sponsors, we've got the blog section, and this part here where I'm going to show you guys how to put a little video in. So the website is really starting to come together. So now that we've got all the demo and ready to go, let's get on to building our website.